for his valuable effort and participation for the Marathon team. And he is also certified as most disciplined player of the team during Pelsama 6th conference. No less than Derek Martinez. Certificate of recognition is awarded to for his valuable effort and participation. Ito ay most active player of the team during WPBL kasama lahat-lahat. Junaid Makalangko. At saka ano na yan, hindi yan si player. Pasok na siya ng Paragon. Pero player pa rin.
Active, parang nag-invento nila ka-award
Oo, di ba? Pugi siya. Certificate of recognition is awarded to ang certified most favorite player of the team. Maraming nakakagusto sa kanya. No less than Jefferson Fiesta. Parang kami ng sorry. Certificate of recognition is awarded to our best muse, Miss Nihara Abdul Hamid from the City of Marble. Yun ang bansat niya doon eh, Miss Music. According po to sa botohan, Salvador Esparas ang ating player. Certificate of recognition is awarded to ang certified most supportive. Matulungin siya talaga, lahat-lahat. No less than Mac Abbas. Sa pwesto hindi nila alam. At saka yung certificate na yan, ha, yung cash prize, ano na, after 1 month na. Manager. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Nasir Abdullah, most favorite player of the team for sa mga Muslim. Siya ang lagi pinipili. Kasi kasama si Fiesta sa Muslim, si Nasir Abdullah. Lagi siya tinatawag, ipapasok nyo! Kasi tallest. Certificate of recognition is awarded to our best coach of the team, Pelsama, no less than our Ja Alhaq Umpa Maroho. Palakpakan natin si coach. Certificate of recognition is awarded to and certified best guard player of the team, Mihelar Daham. Ang ating 3-pointer. Certificate of recognition is awarded to and certified most punctual player. An award also Joseph Julia is most friendly player of the team. Another most friendly player of the team. Talagang friendly siya, no less than Ian Castillo. and certified most supportive player of team. Matulungin siya. Lahat-lahat. No less than our beloved brother, Alan Madriaga. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to our supporters and Marugonians, no less than Mr. Elias B. Garangan. Wala siyang absent sa lahat ng laro ng Marugo. Please receive your award. Please receive the award of Elias Garangan. Certificate of recognition is awarded to, and this is a group actually, and they are honorary member of Marugo.
And this what
The Republica Band!
Shisha man?
Republica Band! This award is given by Mr. Band. Kasi lahat ng band namin Certificate of appreciation is awarded to for his invaluable effort and support and participation for the Marugong basketball team. Talagang active to. Hindi siya nawawala sa lahat ng mga programa para sa laro. Ang biyanan ni Ian, no less than Dante